Some animals have a bite so powerful it can crush bone like it's nothing. From massive predators to unexpected bone crushers, these animals have evolved some of the strongest bites on Earth. Let's count down the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom. Number 10, wolf. Wolves are highly intelligent pack hunters, and their bite is a key part of their success. With a bite force of around 400 psi, wolves can crush bones and tear through tough meat. But what makes them even more effective is teamwork. Packs coordinate attacks, allowing them to take down large prey like deer, elk, and even bison. Their powerful jaws are designed not just for strength, but for endurance, allowing them to hold on to struggling prey. Number 9, hyena. Hyenas have one of the most underrated bites in the animal kingdom. With a bite force exceeding 1,100 psi, they can crush bones that most predators cannot even crack. Their jaws are so strong that they can consume almost every part of their prey, including bones, extracting maximum nutrients. This ability gives hyenas a huge survival advantage in harsh environments. Number 8, tiger. Tigers are silent and powerful ambush predators. Their bite force reaches around 1,050 psi, strong enough to deliver a fatal bite to the neck of their prey. Tigers rely on precision, often targeting vital areas to quickly immobilize animals much larger than themselves. Combined with their strength and stealth, their bite makes them one of the most efficient hunters in the wild. Number 7, jaguar. The jaguar is one of the most unique killing techniques among big cats. Instead of biting the throat, jaguars often bite directly through the skull of their prey. Their bite force allows them to pierce bone, even cracking the shells of turtles. This incredible power makes a jaguar one of the strongest biters relative to its size. Number 6, grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are massive animals with enormous jaw strength. Their bite force can exceed 1,200 psi, allowing them to crush bones and tear through thick flesh. Despite being omnivores, they can easily dominate prey when needed. Their jaws, combined with their size and strength, make them one of the most powerful land animals. Number 5, hippopotamus. Hippos may appear calm, but they are extremely dangerous. With a bite force of around 1,800 psi, their massive jaws and long tusk-like teeth can cause devastating damage. Hippos are highly territorial and will use their bite to defend themselves aggressively. They are responsible for more human fatalities in Africa than many predators. Number 4, gorilla. Gorillas may be herbivores, but their bite force is incredibly strong, reaching around 1,300 psi. Their jaws are built to chew tough plant material like bamboo. Their large skull and powerful muscles contribute to their impressive bite strength. Even though they are generally peaceful, their physical power is undeniable. Number 3. Great white shark. The great white shark is one of the ocean's top predators. Its bite force is estimated to be around 4,000 psi. Combined with rows of sharp, serrated teeth, it can tear through flesh and bone with ease. Great whites rely on powerful, sudden attacks, using their bite to disable prey instantly. Number 2. Saltwater Crocodile. The saltwater crocodile has one of the strongest bites ever measured. With a bite force exceeding 3,700 psi, its jaws can snap shut with incredible force. Once it grabs its prey, escape is almost impossible. Crocodiles use a death roll to tear apart prey, making their bite even more effective. Number 1. Nile Crocodile. At number 1 is the Nile Crocodile. Its bite force can exceed 5,000 psi, making it the strongest bite of any living animal. These powerful jaws allow it to capture and hold large prey with ease. Once the jaws close, the pressure is so intense that very few animals can escape. Nature has created some incredibly powerful predators. Which animal surprised you the most? Subscribe to Hidden Wildnest for more amazing wildlife facts.